Hi Sagittarius, this is Maria from the Tarot Shop with your reading for June. This is a reading for the collective, so if it doesn't make any sense and if it doesn't resonate with you, then that's fine. Just check out also your rising and or your moon signs to see if there's a message there for you. So I'm just going to read the cards and see if there is a message from the cards for you for the following month. So this is the Wisdom of Hafiz, so I will take one card from here. Let's get straight into the reading, please. This is for Sagittarius for the month of June. Feels as if that wanted to come out. Rest deeply. Have you been overdoing it, Sagittarius, perchance? There we go. Rest deeply. So let's see what the cards have in store for you. And then hopefully that card will resonate with the rest of the reading. Okay, right, so June starts off lovely. Very nice beginning to June for you. You've got a happy occasion here. You've got happiness. You've got the realization that actually you've pretty much achieved the happy family. I'm just going to challenge the cards with this because I believe that this is about being with family as opposed to achieving, because it's beginning the month. So I feel that this, although this is the card of happily ever after, this feels as if this is a family situation. So there's playing happy families, okay? That's what I feel I want to say. The beginning of the month, we're playing happy families with our family. And then you're going to make a decision after this happy family time getting together. I don't know what that's something. It feels like you're spending some time happily with family. Then you are moving into the Queen of Pentacles, which tells me you're going to take care of financial business. So you're going to start something new. Now, when you get the Three of Pentacles, it's an apprenticeship card. So you decide, you feel the time is now right for you to start taking care of your own financial. This is the card of self-employed woman. It's she's financially secure in her own right, you know. So it's the businesswoman, and there's an apprenticeship card here which suggests that you see this. He's made his work here. This is his money out there, and now people are noticing it. So it's about turning something that's relatively new to you. It's a new skill. It's a new craft into something that you can earn money at. It's not, when it's a 3, it's at the beginning stages of it. So it's not actually concluding as yet, but you have immediately after you've started to show your work or show what you're capable of to others, that actually you become extremely decisive and you move forward. So whatever this is that you've decided, it could be just that you take a course in something, but you're studying something that actually you can show others. You're going to find a new way of earning money, basically. And then the Chariot, you just move forward. You just, when you get this card, it's a just do it. You don't think about it. And actually, it's very good for Sagittarian energy because you just crack on with it. You don't hang around. Once you've made your mind up, you've had this nice time and you've decided, right, okay, I'm going to do this for me. I think I know a way of making my own money. I'm going to become, and I'm going to learn this new skill, put my skills out there in the world. I'm going to just get on with it. Now, you do conclude the month, or immediately after you've kind of like, you move into the energy then of once you've taken the action, you just got on with it. It's not going to happen quickly enough for you because you get the card of the, you're just a bit frustrated and a bit disappointed here. Things take time, you know, and actually it's also about you standing in your own power, because you've got a queen and a queen. Now this queen here, this is about taking care of your thoughts, right? Because you are your own worst enemy here. This is about you managing your understanding of what you deem to be successful. That's how the cards are reading for me. Now, you remember, things take time. This is absolutely perfect. It's all in the right steps, jumps, leaps in the right direction. And then you have this period of like, oh, it's not moving quick enough. Is this really meant to be? Is it quick enough? And then the cards are just saying to you, manage, take care. It's a queen. Take care. Take care of your thoughts. Talk to somebody. Talk to somebody whose opinion you trust. Talk it through with them as well, if that's what you feel you want to do. Whichever way it goes, you need to also remember to rest deeply, because it feels as if there's lots of activity here. This is going to burn you out a little bit because you're just getting on with it. And then you need to rest a bit deeply. And that's why this isn't moving. Okay? It's not moving quickly enough for you because you need to rest. Because this is a big step. It's a big jump. And then actually just taking some time out to have a little rest before it all picks up. You wouldn't be able to deal with all that activity or the results of it all right now anyway, because it needs to take time so that you can then do it in steps, have a rest, do it steps, rest, step, rest, and that's how it happens. Okay, so that's your reading for June, and thank you very much for your time, Sagittarius.